Wow. It's not much. Like,
Hey,
wow.
Favor and A Star. So you guys are here. What is it again today? You people are fashion, outfit. Meanwhile, I have something important to even say. There is this program I'm preparing to attend, Owerri City by Crusade. Have you heard about this before?
No.
This is the flyer now. Take this one. I bet you, Favor, I bet take this thing. See now. It's themed that Man of Calvary. The program is holding at Owerri City Secondary School, opposite the Anyiam Stadium, along Wetheral Road, Owerri, Imo State. The date is 27th to 30th November, this 2025. You can't trade it for everything. It's featuring salvation restoration. Remember last year when I got healing? What are you waiting for? You guys will come with me, right? You should give it a try.
Okay, we'll try.
And it's like there's somebody else I should invite. And it's just the two of us will come. It's not good if only the two of us should attend this program. What do you think? Esther, what are you saying? It is you.